Here are all methods that allow you to take screenshots on POCO X7 Pro. The first method can be done by using two buttons, the power button and volume down button. If you use both of these buttons at the same time, then you can take a full screenshot. You also have gestures, so you can swipe with 3 fingers from the top towards the bottom like so in order to capture the whole screenshot. And you can also press and hold 3 of your fingers on the screen, and then you can select the area that you wish to capture, and then you can press save at the bottom over here. Of course, you still have edit options if you want to, but essentially once you are done, you can press save, and then you have the partial screenshot. If these gestures don't work for you, you need to go to the settings. Then in the settings, we need to go to additional settings, then choose gesture shortcuts, and over here we have take a screenshot where we can slide 3 fingers down, so the method that I shown you. Also we have the key shortcut. All of these can be enabled and disabled, by the way, and we also have the partial screenshot with 3 fingers. Now, in addition to that, in the additional settings, we can also enable Quick Ball. Once you turn it on, by default, you should have an option to capture screenshot by using the Quick Ball. So in my case, I need to tap on this ball in order to show it, and then here we have the screenshot. This is another method that allows you to capture a screenshot. And another way to capture the screenshot is by using the control center. So let's swipe on the right side of the phone from the top towards the middle in order to open the control center, and then you should be able to find the screenshot button, which looks like this. So you can press it in order to capture the screenshot. If you don't have it over here, then you need to scroll all the way down, and then you will find the edit button. And now you should be able to find the screenshot option in system toggle, so you can tap on it in order to add it to the control center, and then save it by pressing this check in the top right corner. And in addition to those screenshots, we can also capture a long screenshot. So let's say I'm gonna open the Google app, as it has infinite scrolling. And now if I capture a screenshot in any of the ways, I can press scroll, and then we can keep scrolling until the area where we want to crop it, where we want to finish. So let's say I want to capture up to this point, and then we can press done. And there we go. As you can see, we have a long screenshot. Then we only need to save it by pressing this check in the top right corner. And this is how we can capture, for instance, a long website page. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.